Are you planning to study medicine? Are you thinking of applying to the NTU LKC School of Medicine? Hi, my name is Jijen. I'm the Assistant Dean responsible for admissions to the school. Today, I shall give you an overview of the school's admissions process. Before I begin, let me tell you a little bit about the NTU LKC School of Medicine. We are one of the 3 medical schools in Singapore, and we are one of the 2 that offers undergrad MBBS degree. Even though we are the youngest medical school, we have been around for more than 15 years. And since 2018, our graduates have been fully employed and working at the various healthcare institutions in Singapore. Many of our graduates have gone on to successful medical careers, including specializing in various specialties. The NTU MBBS program is a 5-year course. The first 2 years are the preclinical years, where students will be studying on subjects like physiology, pharmacology, anatomy, and biochemistry. The focus is on integrating science in relevance to medicine. The 3rd, 4th, and 5th years are the clinical years, where our students will learn about medicine, surgery, pediatrics, ONG, psychiatry, and other specialties. They will be posted to hospital wards, clinic, and OTs for their posting. There are also various modules that run across all 5 years, including subjects like professionalism, pharmacology and therapeutics, anatomy and pathology, as well as research. So how do you apply to the school? First of all, you will need the relevant qualifications. Here, it refers to A-levels, IB, NUS High Diploma, or a health science-related diploma from the polytechnics. 2, you will need to have the University Clinical Aptitude test. And 3, you will have to submit a 300-word essay on your motivations for doing medicine. We will also require 2 referee reports, one of which must be from your civic tutor or personal tutor. The other can be from anyone who knows you well. This is a step-by-step timeline of what to expect if you're applying for admission to the school in the next academic year. You should have taken and gotten your results of the UCAT, and now the window for application is open all the way to the middle of March. Shortlisted applicants will be invited for our interviews, and this is usually conducted from the end of March to the middle of April. It is important that you keep this period free. Try not to arrange any overseas trip during this period, because we do not do makeup sessions if we miss the interview. Offers will be sent to you from May onwards, and you are expected to undergo a health screen prior to matriculation in July. This is the indicative timetable of the various application window. For the A-level students, it will be from the release of your results to 19th of March. For the IB students, the application window has already opened and it will end on the 19th of March. For NUS High, it is in January, and for those with Polytechnics diploma, it will be in February. Who can apply? You will need to have a pass in H2 chemistry, as well as a pass in H2 biology or physics. All these subjects has to be taken in the same setting. For the Polytechnic students, you will need to have a good GPA in health science-related diplomas. You can scan the QR code there for a list of eligible diplomas. Equivalent qualifications from international qualification will also be acceptable. We have a scheme that recognizes applicants with exceptional talents or achievements beyond the school's CCA. For example, if you are a winner at the International Olympiad, or if you are a national athlete representing the country, you can be considered under this ABA scheme. Do note that this scheme applies only if you miss the cutoff margin. If you have met the cutoff scores, the ABA application will be disregarded. Since we do not know the cutoff score ahead of time, I would encourage you to just check the box on ABA if you have the relevant achievements. We will do the back-end ABA application if it applies. All shortlisted applicants will be invited for the interviews. This is known as the MMI. The MMI is a station interview, each station lasting 5 minutes. You will be assessed on things like leadership skills, organizational skills, problem-solving aptitude, as well as personal motivation for doing medicine. I would encourage you to scan the QR code here to have a taste of what the MMI is like. This is the tuition fee for the last academic year. For the next academic year, you can refer to the NTU website for the most updated information. We understand that studying medicine is very expensive, and we at LKC believe that no deserving students should be denied the opportunity to study medicine because of financial constraints. And we have organized various schemes to help you. So we have quite a number of scholarships that you can apply for. Some are merit-based and some are merit plus needs-based. This should be done during the application process. So I encourage you to apply the scholarships during your admission application. For those who are eligible, there are bursaries to help you. And for those who do not qualify for scholarships or bursary, we have the tuition fee loan that you can tap on from commercial banks like DBS and OCBC. These are interest-free loans during the duration of the course. That's all I have for you today. You can scan the QR code to find out more about us, what we offer, and who we are. Last but not least, I hope to see all of you at our open house on the 28th of February 2026. Thank you very much for tuning in and see you soon.